Hi Parksiders, I'm now here at the Technical University of Darmstadt because we set ourselves a crazy challenge. I want to see if the new cordless drill driver from Parkside can actually pull an A380. So I called an old friend of mine who works here as an engineer, and I'm going to speak to his team if this is actually possible. Hey Josef, thanks for helping me with this.
Hey, I'm Niklas.
I know the idea surprised you at first, but we should be able to pull an A380. I got something for you. We have the drill right here, and this thing should have around 80 Newton meters of torque. So what we need is some kind of system to roll up a cable to our bad boy, the A380. And the A380 should have a maximum weight of like 325 tons. I don't really know what force we need, but I do know that we probably need some kind of counterweight. What do you think?
Let's do some quick math. So that's what I can give you today.
I think it's absolutely amazing. You just pulled that out of your sleeve. So the 325 tons weight of our airplane equates to around 3.2 meganewtons of force pulling down to the ground.
Yes.
But because our plane is on wheels, we need to convert that into a force that's pulled at a 90-degree angle, right? So the counterweight we need is only 24 tons, and the force we need is actually, what was it, 130
kilonewtons. Yeah,
kilonewtons.
Right.
Okay, I'm very excited to come back to you for the final numbers and for the final experiment. Thank you so much for just whipping that quick math out, man. You're amazing.
You're very welcome.
Very excited. So that sounds very promising. We'll get back to you with the details and the exact calculations in a few days, but I think we got this.